Hey everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today we're doing a lunchtime run out to Reliance, Tennessee to head to Flip Flop Burgers. On this day, myself and Mrs. Cooper and some close friends thought we would take advantage of the beautiful weather and head out for some riding. The ride out to Reliance, Tennessee sure has some beautiful scenery, but let's see if I can get us there a little quicker. Reliance, Tennessee is only about 45 minutes or maybe an hour away from Chattanooga, and Flip Flops has great burgers, hot dogs, chicken wings, things like that. Now let's walk around, take a look at the property, and maybe send the drone up. After some time passed, we couldn't find the ladies, so we decided to send the drone out to see if we could find out where they were. Now it's time to throw a leg over these beautiful machines and take it back to Chattanooga.